Hey, Big Rich here. So today we're going to talk about settings in wallpaper, how to change the wallpaper on your iPhone or iPad. So what's wallpaper? So back behind all of your apps, you see a picture of something. That's your wallpaper. You can change that to a picture you might like, or obviously some of the pictures that Apple provides, or take a new one. Maybe you like Big Rich and want to make Big Rich your wallpaper. So into wallpaper. Probably should have a nice picture of Big Rich as my wallpaper back there. So my wallpaper on my iPhone is, you can see, is the Milky Way picture, not one I've taken, which that was mine. So let's go in and change the background right of that display. So we'll go into settings and we'll scroll down and we're looking for wallpaper. And I think I went a little too far. So here it is, wallpaper, right? In my settings menu, I select wallpaper. So here we are into the wallpaper, and you can choose a new wallpaper. I keep clicking on the image here. And we can go in and choose which wallpaper we want to use. We can pick something from Apple, or you can choose something from your photos. I don't have a recent photo of Big Rich there, so I did a little mountain biking in January in Michigan, right? So a little selfie of that. I don't like that picture. I'm not going to use it. So I'm going to go in and just pick one of these stills, or you can do live motion. Let's do a live motion for a wallpaper, and it gives me some choices. I kind of like this purple and blue thing. Let's see what that does. Set lock screen, set home screen, set both. So it gives you a choice. You can show one wallpaper on your lock screen. You can show a second wallpaper as the background. I'm going to actually set it for just my home screen right now, so you can see what that looks like. And let's go back out, go out of wallpaper, and we'll just hit the home button now. And you can see that now I have that image set as my wallpaper, right? So this could be a picture of your dog or your cat or kids, or again, always an option for Big Rich. So let's go back in, and I'm going to go back and change this to one I used before. And I'm going to say set. And I should be all set on setting my wallpaper. If I go back out, it didn't change it. I didn't save it, obviously. So let's go back into settings and wallpaper to change it back. Oops, I hit the wrong menu button. Wallpaper to change it back. And we're going to select a new wallpaper. And we'll do dynamic this time. So you can see kind of bubbles there, right? So anyways, we'll go back in and do stills. Oh, maybe this is where it was. So a lot of options that come on the iPhone for stills. Something there you see you like. I'm going to do the beach and ocean still image. And I'm going to set that. And I'm going to set for my home screen again. So I have a new home screen, right? And I go back out of wallpaper and settings, and it takes you all the way back out the menu. So there you have it, wallpaper settings, right? So there you have it. Now you have a much cooler look. I hope you've picked Big Rich's profile picture to use as your wallpaper, but probably not. Hopefully a picture of your dog or grandkid, or something that really brightens your day. That's the sitch with Big Rich. Make sure to subscribe and catch the rest of my iPhone and iPad help videos.